Kicking off the list, this is Prism. And if you want decent home screen and lock screen wallpapers, then this app is a reasonable choice, because it provides both high quality and amazing wallpapers from different wallpaper categories that tend to work well with both low and high screen resolutions, meaning that you'll be able to get a crisp look on both low and high screen resolutions. Plus, its number of free wallpapers is massive, meaning that you can get great wallpapers with just the free version. But if you want a tremendous experience and be able to access the premium wallpapers and the great features provided by the app, then upgrading to Pro would be a great choice, because it will not only unlock the great features provided by the app, but it will also give you access to the premium wallpapers and support the developer. A touch of texture and a drop of vibrance is this app's main focus, meaning that the app provides you with smooth, simple, and colorful wallpapers, making a clean and clear design for both home screen and lock screen setups. And it's clearly an amazing app to work with, especially if you're into simple and vibrant wallpapers. But mind you, this app currently holds a limited number of wallpapers and wallpaper categories, meaning that you have access to a few number of wallpapers. Maybe it's because the app is still new to the market, but it does get frequent updates and the wallpapers are updated frequently. And spoiler alert, this app is not free in the Play Store, meaning that you have to do a one-time purchase in order to use the app. If an all-in-one collection is what you're seeking for, then Elegance Wallpapers will be an elegant choice, because the app contains anywhere from architecture to Amoled wallpapers. But the app's main focus is on realistic wallpapers, and that doesn't mean that it doesn't have any other type of wallpapers. It also packs up different wallpapers from other different categories. And the good news is this app is totally free, meaning that there are no premium wallpapers or premium features. If you're into sharp abstract wallpapers, then this app is the ultimate stop point. It provides you with a variety of high quality abstract wallpapers for you to choose from. And I would definitely recommend this app if you're into abstract wallpapers, because this app provides you with tons of amazing abstract wallpapers that are great for your home screen or lock screen setup. Amoled wallpapers are the new trend right now, due to their fantastic sharp look, great quality, and dark design, which consumes less battery, saves more power, and gives your home screen or lock screen a beautiful design. And if Amoled wallpapers are your number one pick, then Amoled Pix will be a fantastic option, because the app provides you with tons of amazing Amoled wallpapers for you to choose from. And it also supports different types of wallpaper categories for you to choose from. Whether you're into minimalism or art or any other type of wallpaper style, this app has something for any Amoled lover. And the variety of free wallpapers provided by the app is endless, meaning that you can get amazing wallpapers with just the free version. Looking for realistic wallpapers? No problem, cause Resplash is definitely the solution. It's a wallpaper app that is powered by Unsplash, and for those of you who don't know about Unsplash, it's a free website that provides great images from photographers around the world. And the app itself stacks up different images of different things from different photographers. And it's ideally a great app to work with if you're into realistic wallpapers or just want real images. Plus, all the wallpapers in the app are free and are in full resolutions, meaning that you can get a clear look and a clear design even on high screen resolutions. Hey, let's be honest, minimal wallpapers never get old. And if you want an app full of them, this is it. It goes by the name Pixer, and it's a fantastic app that provides you with amazing wallpapers from different wallpaper categories for you to choose from. With some of the wallpapers being a vector illustration of something or just a simple gradient, which makes a crisp design for a wallpaper and a dope setup for your home screen or lock screen. But mind you, this app isn't free. You'll have to purchase the app in order to use it. And trust me, you won't regret purchasing the app. It's definitely worth it. That's all. Thanks for your time, and if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel will be appreciated. I'll catch you in the next one.